Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your handle on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your username and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to change your handle on your Bluesky account, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. From the Settings page, tap on Account, and now you will see the Handle section. You can simply tap on this, and you will now be able to type in your desired new handle. Go ahead and type in your desired new handle, and once you do so, you can tap on the Save button, and this will save your newly edited handle right away. You can also change your domain that appears after your handle by tapping on I have my own domain. From here, you can simply enter your domain details in order to use this along with your handle. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your handle on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.